Imagine a town valued at $1 million, but with a population of 0. It's a ghost town, a relic of a failed gold rush. But while the world sees decay, we see a blank canvas. Today, we aren't talking about renovation. We're talking about a digital resurrection. Can cutting-edge technology, AI, smart grids, and automation breathe life back into a dead city? Or is this just a $1 million pipe dream?
Why they died, and why we care. Now, to understand how to fix a city, we have to understand why it died. Most of these towns were single industry hubs. When the mine closed or the railroad moved, the heartbeat of the town stopped. But the world has shifted. In a post-remote work era, location is no longer a prison. With the rise of satellite internet like Starlink, you can now run a global tech empire from a saloon in the middle of the desert. The USA is currently facing a massive urban burnout. Sky-high rents and overcrowded cities are forcing people to look elsewhere. These ghost towns offer a blank canvas. They have the land, they have the history, and now, for the first time in a century, they have the connectivity to compete with Silicon Valley. The tech stack. Rebuilding the infrastructure. So, how do you reboot a town? You start with the operating system. Traditional power grids are expensive and fragile. Instead, we're looking at decentralized microgrids, massive solar farms paired with AI-managed battery storage. Next is the housing. We don't need years of construction. Using 3D printing technology like Icon, we can scan the existing ruins and print high-performance, sustainable homes in a matter of days. Then comes the smart layer. We're talking about automated water recycling systems and IoT sensors that manage everything from street lighting to waste management. By using digital twins, we can simulate the entire town's performance before a single person moves in. We aren't just building houses, we're installing hardware. The digital nomad utopia. But technology is nothing without people. The real goal here is to create a startup state. Imagine a community designed specifically for creators, engineers, and digital nomads. A place where the cost of living is low, but the quality of tech is world-class. This could be a hub for research, a testing ground for autonomous vehicles, or a sanctuary for those who want to live off-grid without actually being offline. We're seeing a trend where groups of investors are buying these towns not to flip them, but to govern them through decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs. It's a radical shift in how we think about urban planning, moving from historical decay to a high-tech oasis. The verdict: future or fantasy? The challenges are massive. Legal hurdles, extreme climates, and the sheer cost of logistics can turn a $1 million dream into a financial nightmare. But the proof of concept is already happening. We are seeing the first seeds of these smart ghost towns sprouting across the American West. It's a gamble, but in a world that's moving faster than ever, these forgotten places might be our best chance to build something truly new. So the question remains, if the tech was ready and the doors were open, would you leave the city and move to a digital ghost town? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.